For 200 days, deep in the heart of the jungle, we embarked on our most ambitious project yet, armed with nothing but primitive tools and the raw materials of the earth. Our goal was to create something truly spectacular. A massive crocodile-shaped swimming pool, complete with a secret underground house, hidden right beneath it. This wasn't just a build, it was a test of endurance, creativity, and our connection to the wild. Our journey began by clearing a huge patch of land, mapping out the massive shape of a crocodile. Every curve, every scale, had to be perfect. We dug for days, moving tons of soil and rock by hand, using simple digging sticks and woven baskets. The sheer scale of the excavation was immense, but with each passing day, the powerful form of the crocodile started to emerge from the jungle floor. We were literally carving our dream out of the earth. As the outline took shape, we started working on the foundation of the secret underground house. This would be our hidden sanctuary, a cool, quiet space tucked away from the world. We dug deeper, creating a large chamber right under where the crocodile's body would be. We then started building the structure, using strong logs for the frame and weaving bamboo for the walls. We knew this had to be strong enough to support the weight of the entire pool above it. It was a massive engineering challenge using only ancient techniques. Next, we focused on the walls of the pool itself. We gathered thousands of rocks from the surrounding area, carefully selecting each one for its shape and size. Using a natural clay mortar that we mixed ourselves, we painstakingly laid each stone, building up the high, curved walls of the crocodile. This was slow, meticulous work. We had to ensure every gap was sealed perfectly to hold water. We built the head, the powerful tail, and the sturdy legs, bringing the stone reptile to life. With the main structure of the pool complete, it was time to make it waterproof. We harvested clay from a nearby riverbank, mixed it with sand and natural fibers, and applied a thick layer to the entire inner surface of the pool. We smoothed it by hand, creating a seamless, watertight seal. This process was repeated multiple times, allowing each layer to bake hard in the sun. This ancient waterproofing method has been used for centuries, and it was incredible to see it work its magic. While the pool's lining was drying, we shifted our focus back to the underground house. We built a staircase leading down from a hidden entrance, camouflaged with plants and rocks. Inside, we crafted furniture from wood and bamboo, a bed, a table, and shelves. We installed a natural ventilation system to keep the air fresh and even carved decorative patterns into the walls, inspired by the jungle around us. This wasn't just a shelter, it was becoming a home. One of the most exciting parts of the project was creating the details that would make our crocodile pool truly unique. We used different colored clay to paint intricate scale patterns along the crocodile's back. We crafted sharp-looking teeth from specially shaped white stones and embedded dark, smooth river rocks for the eyes. These small touches transformed it from a simple pool into a work of art, a true tribute to the powerful creature that inspired it. Finally, the moment we had been working towards for 200 days arrived. It was time to fill the pool. We built a series of bamboo aqueducts, channeling water from a nearby stream. Watching the water flow in, slowly filling the massive stone crocodile, was an unforgettable experience. The clear, cool water reflected the sky, and the entire structure came alive. Our vision had become a reality. With the pool full, the final reveal was breathtaking. A stunning crocodile swimming pool, shimmering in the sunlight, with a secret underground house hidden right beneath it. From the surface, you'd never know a cozy dwelling was just a few feet below. We had created a perfect blend of nature, art, and survival building. The cool water of the pool was the perfect reward after months of hard labor under the jungle sun. This 200-day journey was more than just a construction project. It was about pushing our limits, learning from nature, and proving what's possible with just your hands and your imagination. We built a masterpiece in the middle of the wilderness, a place of adventure and tranquility. Every stone, every log, every handful of clay tells a story of dedication and a deep respect for the primitive way of life. Thank you for joining us on this incredible adventure. We poured our hearts and souls into this build, and we hope it inspires you to get creative and connect with nature in your own way. If you enjoyed watching this epic project come to life, please give this video a like and subscribe to Primitive Wild Build for more amazing jungle creations. Let us know in the comments what we should build next. See you on the next adventure.